waste accumulates unknowingly, so now this is our opportunity to make a difference. So let's try something new. Congratulations, you have successfully contributed to supporting the change by opting to use reusable takeaway boxes. The little things you do can make a big difference. By using a container today, it supports the change for tomorrow. This box is free of charge, durable and reusable, made from PET containers, based on a simplistic universal design. Reusable containers help to fight pollution, reduce waste and energy consumption. This decreases the need for additional plastic manufacturing, and it leads to an increase in the use of other, safer materials for the environment. You don't have to change the world on your own. Let's come together and support the change.